What's the meaning of agoraphobic? Agoraphobic. 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 Agoraphobia is a fear of being in places or situations where escape might be difficult or embarrassing, or where help may not be available in the event of a panic attack. People with agoraphobia often avoid public places, such as shopping malls or crowded transportation hubs, and may even have difficulty leaving their homes. Symptoms of agoraphobia may include rapid heartbeat, trembling, sweating, nausea, and feelings of dread. Agoraphobia can severely limit a person's daily activities and quality of life. Treatment may include therapy, medication, or a combination of both.